Hi, this is Dolores from Dee's Times, and I am on Allure the Seas, and it is December 4th, 5th? It's Tuesday, and we are heading on our way to Nassau, Bahamas, and we are in room 10, or deck 10, room 536. And I just came out of my room, and I'm going to take you for a little walk. So let's walk down the hall, and I don't know, give you kind of a glimpse of what you get on the cruise ship. So I guess we'll make it up as we go along. So let's flip. So we just came out of our room, or I did. I don't know who we is, but here we go. So we're gonna go down the hallway. So if we wanted to get up, if we got up in the morning, right, and where we are on the opposite side of like the Windjammer or the restaurants or anything like that. So you can do a few things, right? So you can walk all the way down this hallway, which is rooms upon rooms upon rooms upon rooms, right? And we've done that plenty of time. Hello. Or you can come here. So since we're on deck 10, the Windjammer is on deck 16. So we could take a little walk. How about that? And take a little walk. So on each deck, on all of your Royal Caribbean ships, there is like artwork. So Cultures of the World, this is. So it's like half stairwells, you know. And now we're on deck 11, right? And remember, we are on the forward starboard side. So here's deck 11. So when you get, shows you where you are. So when you get up every stairs, there'll be a ship thing. The next one, everyone wants to be me. I like that. So, and it'll tell you if you want to read about it. Go. So now we're going up to deck 12. Right, make these artwork. Right, and you can read about it. So you can spend a whole day, probably more than a day, just reading the artwork. So now we'll go up, reading, looking at the stairwell, elevator, all the artwork on the ship. So this one. Okay, and then go up to deck 14. So 14 is the sun deck. And some more artwork. There we are. And we're going to go up. So it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So you can see the hallways are kind of, the stairwells are kind of empty. A lot of people are out by the pools. So this is your pool and sports zone. 15. Do we want to do this one? Or you want to go up for the Windjammer? Let's go up by the Windjammer. We'll do another deck another day. Oh my goodness. And here you go. All right, deck 16. Now, on deck 16 is Windjammer, but remember we were on the opposite side of the ship. So we're gonna go out. There you go. Now we're just gonna walk around. It is beautiful out right now. And I don't know what they're doing down there, but I like these little beds, cabana bed things. They're kind of cool. Let's see what they're doing down there. Hot tubs, pools.
And next up is the one I know, the lady of the picture. Count me down in 3. Block.
Hey. Yeah. Always cleaning. So this chip is huge. I don't know what they're doing up here, but oh boy. It's the sexiest man contest over there.
You're the most blinding looking one in this baby shop. Everyone talks about it. Are you ready? 2 things I'm looking for. Count me down in 3.
It's the belly flop contest. That's what that is. Pretty area over here. And then you walk into the wind jammer. So I'm not going to actually do the wind jammer. We're just going to walk around and back because I think it'll just take too much time at this point. So from up here, you look down.
Oh, they're doing a belly flop? Oh.
And you can see Central Park. So Central Park. And the belly flop contest is down over there.
Yeah. Is this what
So we're just walking around to the other side of the ship. And I guess it's more crowded over here because you can really see the belly flop contest going on. Okay, I'm getting into a little bit of a crowd here. Whoa. There you go. Okay, and there's your windjammer in there.
We'll get you another nice next time, Miss Sue.
Yeah, it's crowded over here because people can sit.
Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Give it up for Tina, everybody.
So that seems to be a big thing on Royal Caribbean ships, the belly flop contest.
2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2,
And our people are voting with their fingers to 1 to 5, 0. All right. just walked around the whole, well, I didn't go into the windjammer, but walked around the whole from deck 10 to deck 16. So it's a pretty popular deck right now. But if you go down into the boardwalk, that's going to be crowded. If you go down into Central Park, there'll be lots of people there. There's some restaurants there and stuff, so people like that. And you got into the casino, that is pretty much packed, or it has been when we were down there before. Here we are. Some hot tubs, they're pretty crowded. And that is reserve deck for the Star, Sky, and Pinnacle. Maybe someday I'll be Pinnacle. What do you think? I don't know about that. So we're not even bothering with that. Up front is the solarium right there, and I'm not going to go into there right now because we've used a good amount of time on this video. It's not worth it. So we're back. We are on the port side, right? There's a stair. And if you walk down these stairs, you are going to have the same kind of artwork. Like I said, you can spend days and days doing this, looking at artwork, right? So now we're on the port side, starboard, walking down to our room, which is on deck 10. Then deck 15. Pool and sports zone. All right, so I think that is probably enough. Kind of like a little bit of a boring here, unless you want to keep going, but I think we're just done here. So it took us, what did you say? It's been about 12 minutes from the time we, came out of our room on the 10th floor. We walked up, slowly walked, right? Walked up to the 16th floor deck. These are decks. Walked all the way down to the windjammer around the pool, just taking our time, right? And on our way, we're on deck 12. We're coming down on the port side now. And so it took us like 15 minutes. So you can just see how big the ship is, right? Because we didn't even go to into the windjammer. We didn't go into the solarium on the other side of the ship. And basically, we just walked around. Dying here. And here we are. We are back, but on the port side now. Port forward. And we have the artwork again. Right? You come across, and when you get off your elevators, of course you have 6 elevators on each side, and as soon as you get off, it's going to show you, this is port forward lobby, so you always know where you are. Kind of a little thing about, what's on each deck, a map. Come across, and we were here before where you could see the Central Park over there. And you come across the other side, and it says starboard forward. And again, the same thing. And here's our little thing for the day. We're on deck 10. Time. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed your tour of walking from deck 10, starboard, room 536, up to the 16th deck, and then around the back of the ship by the windjammer, but not into the windjammer, and then back to room 536. So I will do some more videos as the time permits. I'm only on the ship a short time. If you need anything to see anything, let me know. I'll do extra videos. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.